There is a joy that looks bright, but fades very fast. And there is a joy that stays, even when life is hard. In the gospel today, Jesus says, "As the Father has loved me, so I have loved you. Remain in my love, so that my joy may be in you, and your joy may be complete." Jesus is not offering a temporary happiness. He is offering His own joy, deep, quiet, and lasting. Many of us feel tired, burdened, sometimes even lost. But Jesus does not ask us to be perfect. He simply says, "Remain in my love. Stay even when you are weak. Stay even when you do not understand. Stay even when your heart is heavy." Because His love does not live. His love heals. His love stays. And in that love, you will find the joy your heart has been searching for. Amen.